What's the meaning of cardiac? Cardiac. Cardiac.
Cardiac. Cardiac. The term cardiac refers to anything that relates to the heart or its functions. It can be used to describe medical conditions, treatments, and procedures related to the heart. Cardiac issues are typically serious and require specialized medical attention from a cardiologist or other trained medical professional. Some of the most common cardiac conditions include heart attacks, arrhythmias, congestive heart failure, and cardiomyopathy. Proper treatment and management of these conditions are essential in maintaining heart health and preventing complications such as stroke or heart disease.